Which of the following sets has an infinite number of members? A. Factors of 20. B. Multiples of 20. C. Odd numbers between 10 and 20. And D. Prime numbers less than 20. So let us discuss the difference between factors, multiples, odd numbers, prime numbers in a general sense, and with respect to the question we have before us here. So everything is about 20. So we see that factors of 20, multiples of 20, odd numbers between 10 and 20, prime numbers less than 20. So anything that involves numbers less than 20 obviously will not be a suitable response to this question, because we are asked for a set that has an infinite number of members. And of course, if you know what the word infinite means, it means a never-ending set of numbers. Just goes on and on and on and on. Alright? So D clearly can't be an answer here. C also clearly can't be an answer here, because you have odd numbers between 10 and 20. So that would obviously be a finite set of numbers, because you have numbers between a specific range, 10 to 20. There is nothing infinite about that. A and B now are the ones that we are left with. Answer A, factors of 20, and answer B, multiples of 20. So let us discuss the difference between a factor and a multiple. The factors would be the numbers that you could divide your number by to get another whole number. So simple number 6. The factors of 6 would be 1, 2, 3, and 6 itself, right? Because if you divide 6 by any one of those numbers, you will get another whole number. So 6 divided by 1 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So if we apply that same reasoning to the number 20, then the factors of 20 would be 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 itself. Alright? So if you divide 20 by 1, you get 20. If you divide 20 by 2, you get 10. If you divide 20 by 4, you get 5. If you divide 20 by 5, you get 4. And if you divide 20 by 10, you get 2. So I think I may have left out 4 in reeling off the factors there. So I'm going to run that again. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 itself. Alright? Now if I forget anything in the middle there, don't hold it against me, alright? I think by now you know what I'm trying to say. The multiples of 20, however, is a horse of a different color, because with the multiples are the numbers that you get when you multiply 20 by some whole number. So the multiples of 20 would be the numbers that you get when you multiply 20 by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, going on and on and on and on. So your multiples of 20 would be 20 by 1 is 20, 20 by 2 is 40, 20 by 3 is 60, 20 by 4 is 80, 20 by 5 is 100, 20 by 6 is 120, 20 by 7 is 140, etc., etc., etc. So in that case, you see that you could always add another number to multiply 20 by, which would just keep you going on and on and on. As we say in Latin phraseology, ad infinitum, or in other words, to infinity. Alright, so that in this case, the answer that we're looking for would be answer B, multiples of 20.